Samsung is making waves once again, but this time it's not with its flagship S series. Instead, the Galaxy A56 5G is here to redefine what mid-range smartphones can deliver. Packed with fresh features and a design that rivals premium phones, this device is poised to set new standards. Before we dive into the details, here's a quick reminder. To join our membership and access exclusive content, check out the link in the description. The Galaxy A565 5G is a bold step forward, introducing a sleek design and features that even the flagship Galaxy S25 series base models can't boast. It's also the first mid-range phone to come preloaded with One UI 7. This new interface brings an array of exciting features to enhance user experience. One standout addition is the Now Bar, Samsung's take on iOS live activities. The Now Bar lets you view real-time updates on your lock screen, whether it's a timer, music playback, or fitness stats. Need more details? Expand it with a simple tap, practical, and stylish. One UI 7 doesn't stop there. It introduces a vertical app launcher drawer, a much-requested feature that lets you scroll through apps vertically. If you prefer the classic horizontal swipe, don't worry. You can switch back in settings. The stock icons have also received a colorful and rounded redesign, offering a fresh, polished look. And let's not forget the revamped Quick Settings panel. Notifications and quick settings are now separated for better organization, with a sleek blur effect adding a touch of modern elegance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A565 5G is powered by Samsung's latest Exynos 1580 processor, paired with the Eclipse 540 graphics processing unit and an upgraded neural processing unit. This combination ensures smooth performance, sharp visuals, and smarter AI capabilities for daily tasks and beyond. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, the device promises a buttery smooth experience. If this sounds impressive, remember, you can join our membership to dive deeper into exclusive insights and updates. Link is in the description. The design of the Galaxy A565 5G takes things to another level. Leaked renders reveal a premium aesthetic with a vertically aligned camera module encased in sleek black textured rings. The nearly flat frame and subtle bump around the power and volume buttons give it a modern yet practical feel. On the front, the phone features a flat display with a central camera hole, slimmer side bezels, and a slightly thicker chin compared to flagship models. The SIM card tray is positioned at the bottom, and subtle curves along the edges make the device more ergonomic and comfortable to handle. But it's not just about looks. The Galaxy A565 5G comes with significant hardware upgrades, including support for 45-watt fast charging, a big jump from the 25-watt charging on its predecessor, the Galaxy A55 5G. This means less time tethered to the charger and more time enjoying the phone's features. The battery capacity remains at 5,000 mAh, ensuring all-day use with ease. Combine this with a refined design and powerful internals, and the Galaxy A565 5G is shaping up to be a true game-changer in its segment. Samsung's focus on improving both form and function is evident in every aspect of this device. From the revamped interface of One UI 7 to the enhanced performance of the Exynos 1580, the Galaxy A565 5G is more than just a mid-range phone. It's a statement of what's possible. If you're as excited about these advancements as we are, don't forget to join our membership for even more in-depth reviews and updates. Link is in the description. What do you think about the Galaxy A565 5G? Does it live up to your expectations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And one last time, don't miss out on our exclusive membership. The link is waiting for you in the description. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.